In just days, a number of new laws will take effect here in Minnesota, many of which will impact you or your family. Sammy Salina has a breakdown of those. Sammy?
Rena, the laws starting July 1st range from free school lunches to mental health resources for first responders. After a busy legislative session, laws are starting to take effect. Starting Saturday, all Minnesota K-12 students are guaranteed free breakfast and lunch at school. It's paid for with state and federal funds. If you're in rural Minnesota and struggled with online learning during COVID, you might be in luck. The Office of Broadband Development will get funding to pay for projects to make broadband more widely available in rural areas.
For families with kids in college, the North Star Promise Financial Aid Program kicks in for students attending classes starting fall 2024.
If families make less than $80,000 a year, you can receive state dollars to cover tuition and fees at public post-secondary institutions. The law also creates a program for free undergraduate education for Native American students at those schools. Other laws will be affecting healthcare workers and first responders. Hospitals will now be required to develop an incident response plan to deal with increasing acts of violence against their workers. That same bill allows for funding for a loan forgiveness program for some nurses to address the shortage. Police officers and firefighters with psychological conditions such as PTSD can get up to 32 weeks of mental health treatment. They are also eligible for state disability benefits. A couple of others, it will be more difficult for judges to issue no-knock warrants. Employers can no longer put non-compete clauses into contracts for their workers. And a big one you're probably wondering about, the marijuana bill. Parts of it goes into effect this weekend. You can't legally consume it yet, but the Office of Cannabis Management will start getting funding. There will now be a 10% tax on cannabis sales, with 20% of that money going to local governments.